Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure eBay buyer preferences and alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the eBay homepage. Log into your eBay account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Communication Preferences. Click on Communication Preferences. Here you will find various options related to how eBay communicates with you. Scroll down to find the Buyer Preferences section. Click on Buyer Preferences to configure your alerts and preferences. You will see options for different types of notifications you can receive. Review the options carefully, including bidding notifications and winning notifications. Select or deselect the checkboxes according to your preferences. If you want to receive alerts for promotional offers, ensure that box is checked. Next, look for the Alerts section within the Buyer Preferences. Here you can set up alerts for different categories of items you are interested in. Select the categories that matter most to you. You can also specify a price range to get alerts when items are listed within that range. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to update your preferences. A confirmation message should appear, indicating your preferences are saved. Take a moment to review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Log out of your eBay account to complete the process. Your eBay buyer preferences and alerts are now successfully configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.